guys, it's Zia. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the Frozen 2 Elsa collection. My voice is still kind of going in and out, and I do still sneeze a little bit and cough a little bit. So it's rough. My voice is really raspy. I have not gotten a chance to play with the Elsa eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. This is for, like I said, the Frozen 2 collection. It's a close-up on the packaging. It's so cute. The colors in here are really nice. Let's just get started before I talk your ears off, which is what I think I'm very good at. Alright, so we're going to start off with, oh wait, no. I'm going to lay down a protective layer of setting powder. This is my Airspun loose setting powder, and it will also help brighten up the under eyes for later too. I already did the rest of my makeup because I wanted to focus on the eyes and the lips on this video. I've already primed my eyes using the NYX eyeshadow base, and I set it with an eyeshadow from my Toasted palette. I would have used one from here, but there's nothing that really matches my skin tone. If you want swatches of all the colors, I will link the haul and the swatch video I did of this and the Anna palette in the description box down below. Here is the color Fire, and I'm going to buff this into the crease. It looks like a great transition shade. Alright, that is such a pretty, very simple color. Big fan of that. But I'm really excited to use Winter. That's this blue shade right here. It matches my shirt. That's why I wore it. I don't know what to do with it, but let's just put it on and see what happens. I'm going to take it on an application brush, and I'm just going to start packing it on. I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and take some on there and use it to blend the blue into the crease. Right now it looks like I got punched in the face. It's okay, we gotta fix it. I'm going to take a little bit of Spindrift. I'll pop that right onto the outer corner. This is such a beautiful, beautiful berry tone. I think it's gonna look really nice with the blue. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Awakened. This is a very similar berry tone, but it has these flecks of blue glitter in it that are very, very pretty. I feel like this is more of a finishing shade just to make sure that the glitter doesn't disappear. I probably should have waited until later, but I just want to blend it into the crease a bit just to see where we're going with this. Yeah, okay, not bad. So I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye, minus the blue, because we're going to wait till the end. Pack that on so that it will be the strongest blue I can possibly get. Alright, going back into Winter. I'm just applying that all over wherever I had the blue originally. Just from the inner corner to about halfway through the lid. And I'm taking Awakened, which has the blue glitter, like I said, and applying that right above the blue. I'm going to add some glitter on, but I want to do that after I apply my liner. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Alright, got some liner on, and now I'm going to apply Flurry, which is the glitter in the center. I would use glitter primer, but I can't find mine, so we're just going to carefully apply this just on the blue, maybe a little bit on berry tone, and not much. Just want to basically concentrate it in this area. Definitely use glitter primer. Did get some glitter in my lashes. Actually bringing it up higher towards the brow bone, just so that it's more visible, because when it's just on my lid, it's a little hard to see. Alright, that is a lot of glitter. Taking one of my fluffy brushes and just lightly dusting to take off anything that's a little too loose. Time to dust away all of these setting powders. There's definitely quite a bit of fallout from the deeper shades, so I'm really glad that I put some setting powder down to make sure that I didn't have red and blue freckles on my face. Although it would probably turn into streaks. Red and blue freckles. Red and blue freckles would probably be kind of neat. Next, I'm going to jump right into Fire and apply that all over the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take Spindrift again and apply that on the outer corners. Now I'm getting fallout from this, and I didn't think of that. I'm going to take a little bit of Winter. I think I'm only going to put this around the center of the eye, and not all the way to the inner corner. And then I'm going to take Cuddle Close, which is this beautiful iridescent white, and I'm going to apply that to the inner portion of the lower lash line. Doesn't cover very well. Alright, now I'm going to apply some lashes. I'll be right back. Alright, I got my liner on and I'm going to go in with some highlight, because as much as Cuddle Close is a very pretty color, it's not that highlight that I really like. So I'm going to take a little bit of my Kevyn Aucoin Neo Limelight highlighter, just taking the lightest portion right here, popping it right into the center, into the corner of the eye. You see that really brightened everything up. That's so much better. Okay, I'm also going to add some to the brow bone. And I'm going to add some mascara to the lower lash line. This is the Buxom mascara. I guess they only have one mascara because this doesn't actually have a name. It just says Buxom mascara. I'm going to apply some Flexitarian to the inner corners. This is also from Colourpop. There you go. That brightened everything up even more. Finally, on to lips. And of course, I'm going to use Elsa's lipstick. This is in the shade Little Snow. And to line my lips, I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics waterproof lip liner in the shade Rosy. I've had these for so long, and I actually used to use them on their own just for lipstick. And they actually do work really well for that. They're very long lasting and they're very easy to apply. And there's this gloss, but the gloss has little bits of glitter in it and I can feel it on my lips and I don't like it, so I won't be using this. This look actually ended up really similar to the look that I made with the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson mini controversy palette, but I think this one actually turned out better. Alright, so that is the whole look. Very Harley Quinn. I feel like it's very Harley Quinn. That's what I see. Birds of Prey is coming out in February in my birthday month. Like, how? So excited. All the movies that are coming out, no, not all the movies, but like a ton of movies that are coming out next year are gonna be so incredible. Wonder Woman 1984 is coming out, Birds of Prey is coming out, Ghostbusters Afterlife is coming out. What else? I know I'm forgetting something. I just can't. Mulan is coming out. Oh my god. I'm really excited. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you're not already. Don't forget to hit the notification button and follow all of the social media thingies. And that's everything. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I'm doing everything out of order. Bye, guys. Mwah.